What's up gamers? In this video I am going to show you how to solve the forest not loading issues like black screen, freezing, stuck or crashing like that. And I also had the same issue before like you, and this is how I solved mine. And now I can play the game without any issue. I bet you can also play the game after this video. So I want you to subscribe. If this video help you, don't just leave, okay? I want you to return the favor because I really need your support. Thank you. So let's fix it for you. Before that, if you have not updated your game to version 1.08, I want you to update to that version for the official fix for all of your issues I mentioned before. So now about the fix number 2. Okay, click on start and then type regedit and open the registry editor. And now let me zoom it for you. So click on H key local machine and then expand it and then system and then current control set, expand it and then control and then scroll down and find the key session manager, this one, and expand it and select the subsystem right there. Now backup your registry key in case you need your original key to be back. So to backup your registry, click on the file menu in the top left corner and choose export and select the destination folder in where you want to save it and then give it a name, registry backup. And when you want to restore your registry, previous registry, just click on that file and save now. Now we are good to go. So in the right panel of subsystem, double click on Windows key and in the value data field use your left or right arrow to find this key. There it is. And from that value in the middle one, you need to replace it with 4096 like that. It's maybe different in your case, but you need to replace it with 4096 value like that and then close, save it and close and restart your PC. But if this process is too difficult for you, there is another way you can do it. Just right click on your desktop again, on your computer again, and type cmd and open the command prompt as admin and type here bcd edit space / set space and then increase user va space 4096. Now hit enter and that's it. Restart your PC you can do this step without doing the registry hack. So now open the game, and you may need to wait several minutes. So give this a try, and now there is another extra fix for you. And if it seems like your game is stuck or a black screen or it's just freeze, don't panic, just wait about 10 minutes or so. Your game will load eventually, and that's it. And hey gamers, subscribe.